Anyone can incorporate gratitude, mindfulness, scripting, meditation, affirmations, all of that into their day.
Absolutely. And, speaking of meditation, I think it would be the perfect time to, I don't know, maybe guide our listener through a short meditation, something to help them release some of that negativity that they're feeling and connect with a sense of peace and abundance. What do you think?
I love that idea. Let's transition into that now.
Okay, great. So this will be short but powerful, okay? It's a meditation to help you shift your energy and align yourself with a more positive vibration. So if you're listening, just find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you'd like, and just allow yourself to relax. And we'll take a few deep breaths together.
Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Let it all out. With each breath, just feel any tension, any stress just melting away.
Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice any sensations. Just notice. The feeling of your clothes on your skin, the temperature of the air, the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Just notice.
And just allow yourself to be present. Be here in this moment. Let go of any worries, any thoughts about the past or the future. Just be here now.
As you continue to breathe deeply, just imagine, imagine a warm golden light surrounding you.
Okay, I can see that.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And this is the light of pure positive energy.
Wow.
Filling your entire being, washing away any negativity, any stress. Just let it go.
It's so warm.
Now, this light, you know what it represents? It's abundance, peace, and love. That's what it is. Allow yourself to soak it in, to feel nourished, to feel supported by its gentle energy.
I can feel that.
Now, I want you to imagine something else, okay? Imagine a beautiful garden.
Okay.
And it's filled with, vibrant flowers, lush greenery, and, can you hear it? The sweet sound of birdsong.
It's so peaceful.
As you walk through this garden, just notice all the abundance around you. The flowers are in full bloom. Everything's so vibrant. The fruits are ripe and juicy. And the air is filled with the scent of possibility.
I can almost smell it.
This garden, it represents something. It represents your own inner world.
Oh, wow.
It's a place where anything is possible. Just allow yourself to feel that sense of hope. That sense of wonder as you explore this space.
It feels so expansive.
And remember, in this garden, you have the power. You have the power to create anything you desire. Anything. Your thoughts, they're like seeds. And your emotions, they're like the water and the sunlight that nourish those seeds.
So what should we plant?
Plant seeds of positivity, seeds of abundance, seeds of joy. Nurture them with love, and then you watch them grow. They grow into beautiful manifestations in your life. It's amazing.
That's a beautiful image.
Take a few more deep breaths. Allow this feeling of peace and abundance to really sink in. Let it become part of you.
Breathing in and out.
And just know this, okay? Know that you are connected. You're connected to a source of infinite power and love.
You're good mind.
You are never alone. Remember that.
Never alone.
Now, when you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring that feeling, that sense of peace and possibility, bring it with you into the rest of your day.